Joanne. I'm the PA at the Verdugo Health Clinic. Today we are going to be doing microneedling on Saffron. This is her first treatment, so we're going to start on her forehead. You ready?
It just feels like a vibration more than anything else. It doesn't really feel, I'm not feeling anything painful, just the vibration and the pressure of the device on my skin. And it feels fine.
To stimulate some collagen production. She got a little bit of like a little divot there, so we're trying to plump it back up by stimulating collagen production. And then what we'll do is we put a mask on for about 10-15 minutes, and it's a nice soothing mask.